There are many products available to choose art gifts for creative kids, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best art gifts for creative kids from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Make It Real Mini Pottery Studio. In our tests, kids loved using the pottery wheel and included tools to make mini creations like a tiny trinket dish or flower pot. It uses air-dry clay, a domed wheel, and templates kids can use until they've mastered the techniques and can do it freehand. The wheel charges with USB, and there are ideas for 10 projects to get them started, ages 8+. Number 2. SCRIB 3D Printing Pen. Our testers report that it takes some time to get the hang of this 3D pen, but once they do, young artists can get a taste for 3D printing. Artists can control the speed of the filament, which is good because it can run out fast, and it comes with a QR code that can be scanned for more instructions. It comes with 3 colors of filament and charges via USB, so no batteries are needed. No age recommendation given. Number 3. Kid Made Modern Over the Rainbow Craft Kit. For those kids who are always crafting, creating, and making DIY projects, this kit will give them more than 300 pieces to add to their library of materials, all in different colors. This includes pom-poms, fuzzy sticks, googly eyes, string, and other items that will get their creative juices flowing. Ages 6+. Number 4. Crayola Paint Pendulum Kit. This kit makes it fun for kids to create paintings in a new and unusual way. Load up the pendulum with different colors of paint and let it swing. Kids can use it to experiment with color mixing and see how the force and angle of the swing affects the final artworks. Testers found it easy to use once it was assembled. We loved the creativity, enjoyed seeing the different patterns that the toy created, one tester said. Ages 7+. Number 5. Phomemo Sticker Printer. Tweens and teens can have fun designing their own stickers they can print on thermal paper. They can dress up laptops, phones, lockers, school supplies, and their bedrooms with their own artwork, and some have found that they're even helpful for note-taking and schoolwork. No age recommendation given. Number 6. Fashion Plate Superstar. Adults may remember these from when they were kids. There's even a retro version. But the pleasures are just as much fun as ever. Artists mix and match the plates, rub a crayon over their combination, and get an image they can color in before scrambling up the plates again and starting anew. The whole thing is compact, so this is also a good option to take on the go. Ages 6+. Number 7. Crayola Light Up Tracing Pad. With this set, kids can layer different parts of images on top of each other to create a new scene to trace, and combine and recombine the images to make new scenes each time. A light-up clipboard makes the tracing easier, and it also comes with colored pencils they can use to color the whole scene in. It also comes with only 10 sheets of tracing paper, so you might want to get more. It comes in 2 themes, sports and music or fashion and horses, and the light requires 3 AA batteries sold separately. Ages 6+. Number 8. STMT D.I.Y Artist Journaling Set. This set lets kids use stickers and other supplies to customize their own art journal, and then watercolor and paint tubes so they can create their own art inside of it. The set also comes with a watercolor pad and a spiral-bound journal. Ages 8+. Number 9. Posca Paint Marker Set. Older ones can really personalize almost anything, including canvas backpacks and sneakers, glass, ceramics, wood, plastic, and rocks, with these best-selling paint pens. Amazon users rave about the quality of the colors, and they also say they work well on a variety of surfaces and dry quickly. No age recommendation given. Number 10. Just My Style Alphabet Beads Bracelet Making Studio. After Taylor Swift's Eras tour, everyone wants to personalize bracelets with their favorite song titles, lyrics, sayings, and inside jokes. This kit has more than 2,000 beads they can use to express their personal styles and tastes. You get alphabet beads, colored beads, pony beads, and more, plus 4 elastic cords. Ages 6+. Number 11. Skillmatics Foil Fun. Kid testers were captivated by this unique art set. It comes with foam stickers and sheets of shiny foil, and kids can rub the foil onto the stickers so the color transfers over. It comes with 10 backgrounds that kids can stick them onto, and in addition to animals, it comes in space, dinosaur, dress up, bugs, and holiday themes. Ages 4+. Number 12. Crayola Washable Palm Grasp Crayons. Kids just getting started on their artistic journeys will love these chunky crayons. Their egg-like shapes are easier for toddlers to grasp. The set comes with 12 different colors, and Crayola says that each one is the equivalent of 14 regular crayons, so they'll last a long time. Ages 1+. Number 13. Ooly Chunkies Paint Sticks. For kids who might need a refresh of their art supply stash, these tempera paint sticks are just the thing. They make it easy to get a paint-like effect without brushes or water, and Amazon users appreciated the vibrancy of the colors. The set comes with 12 different hues, and you can always get a sketch pad to go with it. No age recommendation given. Number 14. Alex Toys Paper Bag Puppets. Preschoolers will find it simple to make 5 different paper bag animals included in this kit. They're made with stickers and other paper shapes that can be easily glued onto the bags. Then, when they're done, they can use the puppets for imaginative play. Ages 3+. Number 15. Lakeshore Learning Trace and Draw Projector. Testers were drawn to this device immediately, no pun intended. Kids could pop in a slide and choose an image to be projected onto a piece of paper, which they could trace and color in. The set comes with 80 images on 6 slides, which can be stored in slots on the projector itself. Note that it requires 3C batteries not included. Ages 5+. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make you life much more easier.